Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at the desktop version of the My Documents module. This module is designed to be a general repository for miscellaneous WHS related documents and other files. Like all system modules, the access and inclusions visible in this module vary according to individual user access levels that are controlled within the user management module. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything just as a workplace administrator would see it. This module features the same fundamental layout as all modules in the system. Below the module name and module icon are the main controls. In this case, a link back to the workplace homepage, the option to add a new record, and the option to export all the data from this module in a CSV format. To the right are the module help notes and link to this video tutorial, and depending on when your subscription commenced, there may also be a link to archived records within this section here. Below is the module list view. The controls at the top of the list view in the column headings allow you to sort, search and filter the records according to various criteria. The small export icon at the far right of the search and filter tools exports only the records that are being displayed after filtering. Like the main export module function, this allows selection of the data fields to be included in the resulting export file. The list view contains relevant information about each record in the module, including a handy pop-up containing all the file attachments for each record, which saves you having to drill down to view the record directly. Mousing over the Actions icon in the list view displays the various options for managing existing records. And to add a new record to this module, select the plus icon, which displays the My Documents form. Selecting the up icon at the top of the form returns to the list view, but doesn't save the record. The Form Details section displays the creation date, the original author, and the manager currently responsible for this record, along with the option to reassign responsibility to another manager. To be assigned responsibility of a record within this module, the new manager must have manager level access to this module. That's controlled in the user management module. All users with manager level access to this module automatically display as selections within a list when the Change Responsible Manager field is selected. If a new manager is then selected from the list, their details display directly below the field. The Record Details section requires entry of a record name, which in turn displays in the list view. This section of the form also contains the Document Status field, which can be set to current or inactive. If current, all individual reminders enabled for the documents and files that are attached to this record remain enabled. But if the record status changes to inactive, this overrides and disables all the active individual document alerts. This section then allows an optional inclusion of a record description. Any text entered into this field is also searchable in the module list view. The final section of the form allows attachment of up to 5 documents or other files each time the record's saved. So to add more attachments, just save the record and another 5 attachment fields will be available. Each attachment field requires a file title and then obviously the ability to browse and select the relevant document or file for upload. For reference, the system supports upload of most common file types including PDF documents, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, images and even zip files. Once a file's been added, it can't be deleted. However, the system features the option to set reminders on an attachment by attachment basis, which can be disabled if the attachment is no longer relevant. If a reminder is enabled, however, the reminder date is also required. Reminders generate an email alert to the responsible manager on the reminder date, and they also display within the responsible manager's tasks and reminders calendar that's accessible via their workplace homepage. Reminder emails can be turned on or off at the attachment level directly when editing the record, or via the task and reminders calendar. And don't forget, the record itself must also be current to enable all attachment level alerts. When you've added all the information into the form, to finish, just click Save. The new record will now appear in the list view for further management as required. And that concludes this tutorial. For more information about the module, please refer to the on-screen help notes and the tooltips, and the mobile version of this video tutorial. Thanks for watching.